name is Mike Kiley. I'm the Director of Adoption Centers and Programs for MSPCA Angel, and we're here today receiving about 150 cats from a flight through Greater Good Charities. Working in partnership with our partners on the ground in Florida, we are moving Florida cats up to New England for adoption in the attempt to be able to work together to solve pet homelessness for cats in Florida. So our partners in Florida are going to in turn take in other animals from other shelters like Humane Society of St. Lucie County and Okeechobee Animal Control to be able to help some of the less resourced and overcapacity shelters that are down in Florida get the support that they need so that we can help the largest number of cats possible. Also Boston. Oh, what a bunch of cuties. Oh no, wait, this is orange. Okay. Okay. Pink is northeast. Yeah, the flight got here a little bit early, which is, it's always a little bit unpredictable when you are dealing with flights about leaving on time or, in this case, getting in a little bit early. But they had to leave very early from Florida because the temperatures are quite warm in Florida. We had to make sure that the animals are comfortable. So it was an early liftoff from the ground. Teams started working at 3 o'clock in the morning to organize this for today. And we've been working on this program for over a month, trying to get all of these animals up here so that we can together help a lot more cats.
Sorry, kitty.
That is Boston. Oh my God.
Is there a cat now?
No, nothing on board.
It's up there now.
Yeah, thank goodness. Boston! So they're coming from the southern Florida area, so Humane Society of Vero Beach, Peggy Adams, and also a few other shelters that have been working together to try to help southern Florida cats and work collectively so that we can help the largest number of cats possible. Nevins Farm. Make way for Pam. She's coming out. So this is just a representation of the overabundance of animals that are in Florida. Florida is dealing with an overpopulation issue with cats that we have not had to experience in well over a decade in Massachusetts. So this is the nation working together across state borders to be able to help cats that are homeless and in need of homes. And by working together, we can bring some of those cats over from an area that there are more cats than there are homes for into Massachusetts, where we have lots of loving homes looking for cats. So it's us being able to make sure that we're working together to help as many animals as possible. I mean, this represents a number of organizations working together to solve a problem, and we needed Greater Good charities to be able to help get the animals from southern Florida to Massachusetts. So they have put forth the funds necessary to charter a plane, and we've all worked on building out a roster of animals to come up, and it's been a lot of communication, a lot of coordination. But ultimately, it means that 150 cats are going to have wonderful new futures as a result of our collective efforts. Cape Cod. You. Bevan's Farm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Bevan's Farm. Yeah. Most energy, yeah.
All right, that is Northeast Animal Shelter. This is Cape Cod.
So.
Bevan's Farm.
Yes, sir.
He got his own ride.
Bevan's Farm. Camp can't take two at once, so she's going to have to accept help. Monadnock. Cape Cod. Got to fight for that one. Northeast. Double Northeast. Sarah Rose. Well, the best thing about Massachusetts is it's a high cat owning state. There are lots of people who want to adopt cats, and there's not as many cats locally in shelters as there are adopters. So we're really just getting them into places where Massachusetts residents who love cats can take one home and give it a wonderful life.
In Boston. Going to Boston.
All right, we got purple Northeast.
I'll take it.
Can't hold the camera and Monadnock, you're up.
Here I am.
Go.
I see the name. Emily might know if it's
Highlighter yellow. This is going to Monadnock.
There you go.
If you're looking to adopt an animal, you should check out our websites at mspca.org and neas.org. We have lots of wonderful animals on this flight and have come from other relocations and local surrender. So there are lots of animals needing homes. And right now, adoptive homes are needed more than ever. There are more animals in shelters than there are homes. And every adoptive home we have in Massachusetts means that we can go back and help more animals in Florida and other shelters that need our help. Cape Cod. Awesome. Right from the Cape. I'm Mike, by the way.
You in? Good thing.
If you in,
How do you see?
you can just say Bevan's Farm. It's easier.
All right, perfect. Purple is Northeast.
Northeast.
Boston.
Thank you, Robert.
Sorry, Boston.
Boston. Is Boston man here?
Nope.
Yep, they should be here any minute.
Okay.
Traffic.
Boston.
Boston.
Bevan's Farm.
Boston, if you can follow Josie, she's going to pop it in Northeast temporarily. What is this? Bevan's Farm.
Is that Boston? Boston is in the back.
Which one is this?
Oh, yes.
Boston?
Strong, tall people at the door that bring them down, and then they can go right into the car. We'll yell out which shelter they're going to. They get right in. Hi, Mike.
Hello.
Hi, Mike.
What's going on?
Hi, I'm Nicole. Nice to meet you.
Director of Adoption Centers.
Yeah, in the future, we are hoping this is the start of a long-term relationship with our partners in Florida and that we can continue this relocation out of southern Florida into Massachusetts because there's a critical need for homes for cats, and we have them up here. Florida has cats. We just need to do our part to help get them up here so that we can connect them with adoptive homes. My hope for the future of this program is that we are able to work together, organization to organization, to end homelessness and make sure that every animal entering shelters, no matter what state they enter in, have the opportunity for a loving home. And that takes a lot of collaborative effort, working together to make sure that we're protecting as many animals as possible.
So we're going to put them directly in the vehicles unless there's a reason that we shouldn't.
Okay, so beautiful day for it.
Yeah, 30 minutes early.
Yeah, we try to be expeditious.
Some of that good weather on the East Coast.
Yeah, absolutely. It's beautiful.
Yeah, they
That's my guess.
Is this the kid card one? Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute.
I think the most important thing right now is to know that we need everybody's help from the community to make sure that these animals have that opportunity for homes. So that means if you can adopt, please adopt any species of animals. If you can't adopt but you could foster an animal temporarily, we need foster homes. And if you're not available to take an animal into your home at all, you can make a monetary donation to support this work, because there's still lots more to be done beyond today.
You guys want me to turn them down, turn them around so you can get the... There you go.
We're purple too. Yeah, you're purple, blue. Assuming you're handling all. You guys have a list? You just said you would just...
You can make that donation for support for this efforts to mspca.org or neas.org. Every time you donate, it goes directly to making sure that animals are protected.
From like outside of Boston.
So the distribution of animals once they get off the flight, they'll be going to all 4 of our locations. The vast majority will be going to Northeast Animal Shelter, followed by the next largest going to our Cape Animal Care and Adoption Center in Centerville, followed by our Nevins Farm location in Methuen, and our Boston location in Boston.
We're purple too. Yeah, you're purple, blue.